Talking about how is A. Shah IS coaching center in Mumbai. Many IS examination aspirants were asking this question, like whether they should join A. Shah IS coaching center in Mumbai or not. So we have made this video to help you out in deciding uh, the coaching center for civil services examination preparation. Okay, so this is all about A. Shah IS Coaching Institute. These are the details of A. Shah. Okay, so A. Shah IS Coaching Institute is well-known UPSC coaching institute in Mumbai. This is premier UPSC classes for Indian Administrative Services examination preparation, guys. Guys, you can see the pros of A. Shah IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai. The past year result is good, infrastructure is good, teachers are good. As of now, there has not been much cons which has been seen into this institute. But like when we talk about the overall rating of this institute, I mean like it's like above average. Okay, so guys. These are the details of Asia IS Coaching Institute, which you can read in depth. So you will be getting much idea about this coaching institute for Indian Administrative Services examination preparation, guys. Okay. Again. So if you are willing to prepare for IS prelims examination, IS mains examination, you can think of joining this UPSC coaching center in Mumbai. It covers all kind of course like prelims comes mains course, foundation courses, daily current affairs are available in this institute. You will also have UPSC civil services optional test series. Okay, GS mains online and offline test series are available. This is the contact details of A. Shah IS Coaching Center in Mumbai. Please look at it, and you can contact A. Shah IS Coaching Institute at this place, which is Guru Kripa Bahubali ground floor 17G, CA Kawasji Patel Road, Fort, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay. Study material, ecology, environment, every detail is being provided into this report. Okay, now let's discuss about benefits of joining A. Shah IS Coaching Institute. Basically, this institute offers best UPSC civil services examination study material. The locality of A. Shah IS Coaching Institute is at prime location, and past year result, if we talk about, it is being really good. Okay, the infrastructure of this A. Shah IS Coaching Institute is also best. Okay, and the ranking of Asia IS Coaching Institute is best. Let's see what are the ranking given by our education. Okay, so this is the report by our education for best IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai. Okay, you need to Google best IS coaching in Mumbai, our education, and you will be able to find much details about these UPSC coaching institute. Let's see, rank 1 is Plutus IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai as per our education. Rank 2 is the Hinduzone IS Coaching in Mumbai. Rank 3 is Dronacharya IS Coaching Center in Mumbai. Rank 4 is A. Shah IS Coaching Institute. This is a pretty good ranking when it comes to selection of civil services examination preparation. So guys, hope you like this video about A. Shah IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai. Okay, stay tuned.